What do you do in a normal day? From Monday to Friday, hot he hoops IT club. I brush my teeth hen, a egg chow hen teach, a wake hoop my divorce, and have cleaning my house. Head high glow. I have breakfast with my family and start making a bunker to us. Had the vuelve glow my no makes. This lunch had hot club without lunch and home 78 was day 6 horfix kinched. A dish Houston hasted to private dinner had sick low I go to play soccer with some friends. A heady glow I returned to my house and have dinner and have ticket digger and night o'clock go to bed. Thank you.